A black man invented that commode. And if you turn a bottle up to your mouth, A.C. Richardson invented the bottle that you drink out of. And you look at the bicycle that everybody ride. R.R. Johnson invented the bicycle. And I can go on. Every time you open your refrigerator, look what great contributing factor that someone black invented a refrigerator. And just think about when you turn your air conditioner on. And it's hot. Not just in the house, but also in the car. A black person invented the air conditioning. And also the heat.